Using You Need a Budget with credit cards involves a unique approach to budgeting to ensure you stay on top of your spending and pay off your credit card balances. Here's how to effectively manage credit cards in YNAB. Link your credit cards. Link your credit card accounts to YNAB to allow for automatic transaction imports. Alternatively, manually enter credit card transactions as they occur. Budget for credit card payments. Instead of budgeting for credit card purchases separately, budget for your credit card payments directly in YNAB. Allocate funds to your credit card payment categories to cover your upcoming payment. Record transactions. When you make purchases with your credit card, categorize the transactions in YNAB according to your budget categories. This ensures your spending is accurately reflected in your budget. Budget for credit card payments. As you spend on your credit card, the available balance in your credit card payment category decreases. Ensure you have enough funds allocated to cover your entire credit card balance by the due date. Pay your credit card balance in full. Aim to pay off your credit card balance in full each month. Use the available funds in your credit card payment category to make your payment. Reconcile your accounts. Regularly reconcile your credit card accounts in YNAB to ensure all transactions are accurately recorded and accounted for in your budget.